Okay, 2025-26 Toyota Camry. Okay, these are hybrids now, so if you look under the hood, you don't see a battery. If you're looking to jump start it, you're going to do it here at the fuse box. Go ahead and remove the fuse box cover by pushing these tabs. And right here is where your positive terminal is going to be, okay? Right here. This is where you're going to hook up your jumper cables. This is a metal tab here. So you can hook up positive here, and then ground, you can either use like one of these nuts here or one of these nuts here, okay? You can even go down here to one of these nuts here for the ground. Now if you want to know where the battery is, it's going to be located in the trunk. So if we go to the trunk and we go over here to the right side and you push these tabs in and pull towards you, you can remove this door. And here's the battery also. So if you can get into the trunk, you can jump start it here too also. Okay, you have your positive and negative terminals right here. But this is where your battery is going to be at when you go to change it, all right? Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you can hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Toyota video.